black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another mother loving video. So as y'all know, I am the DIY queen. So today DIY is not going to be clothing, it's going to be cheap DIY, how I remodel my kitchen, renters friendly, Amazon products, Walmart products. But if y'all want to see how I got this to this, then stay tuned and continue watching. Okay, y'all, so if y'all been following me, y'all know I hate my kitchen. I'm gonna be here, I don't know how long, but why not, you know, make it feel and look like home. So I'm gonna show y'all, because I already started painting back there. I got the white and it looks so good. So I don't want this video to be super long, so let me show y'all. And don't mind my kitchen because I am cleaning, getting rid of stuff, all type of stuff in here, so don't mind what you see. Okay, so this right here is, I had like these wood wallpapers on here, but I took them off, and as you can see, I got oil buildup and all that good stuff under there, but I got a hack for that. So this is not even white, by the way. It's like it's just and look at that. But it's like, don't worry about it, because it wasn't showing like but anywho, this is over here is what I've done already. So y'all see how big of a difference that look from that, like, come on now. So in here I am going to be putting up 2 shelves. I still gotta do another coat in here. I gotta do another coat over here. Hey babe, so I did go ahead and paint my whole kitchen, y'all. I did do it off of cam because, like I said, this video don't need to be super long, but make sure y'all stay tuned so I can give y'all all the deets that y'all need for this video, y'all. So this is after I cleaned off the the cabinets, and this is what I use: Dawn, the power wash, easy off, heavy duty, and scrub daddy, y'all. Yes, I love the scrub daddy. Like, that thing literally takes the paint off of shit. But here's me stirring up the paint. So y'all, I did use 2 cans of this paint. Don't mind the door behind me. Polo scratched it off because he didn't want to be locked up. But I used the Pittsburgh Ultra Paint. I got this from Menards or Home Depot. But y'all, this is the only clip of me painting because, like I told y'all, this video don't need to be that long, and y'all don't need to see me painting this whole kitchen. But I did go ahead and use my broomstick, and I just did a couple coats on each wall until I felt like it looked good. So y'all, my cabinets never had handles, so I definitely wanted to put some on. I got some from Amazon. I got a pack of them, and y'all, I'm gonna list everything down below in the description box. These are light, and I wanted everything to be renter friendly. So yeah, they holding on for now. I got me a paper towel holder also from Amazon, y'all. I really got this to clear up some space off of my counter, which did the job. And I got this liner from Walmart. Pause the video if y'all need to. But this little razor knife thingy right here that I am using, when I say this came in handy the whole time that I was doing my kitchen. If y'all doing any projects like this, make sure y'all get one. Y'all definitely gonna thank me later. So y'all, I got these hooks right here from Walmart. I am going to place them on the back of the cabinet door. I'm trying to clear up a little space in my silverware drawer, so I'm going to be hanging up my measurements. Ooh, so now with the backsplash, y'all, I got this from Amazon. Y'all, I was so excited about this. This really gave it a really nice look in here. It really opened up my kitchen, and y'all, they so easy to apply. I seen some people on Amazon saying that it was hard, but it definitely was not hard, y'all. Like, these were super easy. If you know how to put a puzzle together, then you know how to put these together. Just make sure you give it enough space and just apply it to the wall, literally. And I did have to take some of these off, so they come off really easy if y'all worried about that. Like I said, everything is renters friendly. And if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But this is how it's looking. I did end up having to order more, but y'all, I absolutely love this. I organized my spices. Y'all know I'm a cooker. Y'all, it has so many different seasonings on here, stuff that I didn't even think. It's like about 9 pages almost. So I use my top seasonings that I do, place them in there, really good. And now with the sink, y'all, another one. Y'all, I'm just so happy about everything. Yes, I was in here being a little plumber. Bay helped me. I got most of it, but Bay helped me once he got home from work, and he bought me flowers. So yeah, this is the sink. I absolutely love the sink. Absolutely love the sink. And this installment was super easy as well. Y'all know they got old stuff in here, but y'all, let me show y'all how this stuff worked that I was telling y'all about. I used the bleach, the power wash Dawn, and that heavy duty easy out stuff, and it literally cleaned that up really good. So now I'm just gonna show y'all little steps of me installing this, y'all. I had to get real creative. I stuffed 2 of my dish towels in a cup to hold the sink up because I was home alone and I needed it up before I could screw it in. But this is the final finish of the sink, y'all. It got 2 different settings. It got the adjustable thing, the hot and cold. Yes, so this is the old wood, y'all, on the countertops. I'm so sorry that this video is so fast, but everything will be listed down below for y'all can shop. But I got those from Amazon as well. This is what my ugly countertops look like. Yeah, I'm so over it, but this is what they look like now. It's final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. I absolutely love my kitchen. Let me know if y'all do y'all's. Make sure y'all tag me on social media if y'all do. But that's all I got. I love you guys oh so much. Peace.